This washing machine is not working. It's a Frigidaire 15 kilogram. The type of outlet, this is a UK system. It's a UK outlet, UK socket. The socket is fine, the outlet is fine, there's a fuse in there, that's also fine. So the next step is to open this. I just started screwing out this one, there's two here. So open the control panel, have a look inside and see what we can figure out. But if we press this, nothing comes on, no light. I should really unplug it before I start. The design isn't bad at all. This is the top piece here. Contacts, plugins. They have some kind of waterproofing agent. I assume non-conductive, but still functional. Two jacks and that piece that goes into this. This is for the height sensor to determine where the water is. I don't really know why they have this piece. Trying to figure that out at some point in time. Then this is the main board. Talk about a conformal coating. I'll show the side of this, but this thing is about that thick. That is well past conformal. This is a full gel coating, full grease here as I mentioned with the jacks to make sure there's no corrosion, and there is no corrosion. Again, this is a relatively new machine. You can see clearly there's a burn spot. Clearly that's a defective component, why it's not coming on. So I'll have a look into that. And then this is the front panel with the buttons, LCDs. It seems to have a full communication. -5 comms, data, clock, switch latch. No, switch latch. So this seems to be a full controller by itself. That probably has nothing wrong with it, so we'll leave that alone. Probably just take a peep, maybe not. This has the problem there. So let's get to that. Clearly we can see burn component, really badly burnt. I need to figure out what that is. I'm seeing C1 on the side. I don't know if that's a, I think that should be that, capacitor. That's a MOV. That's probably just a filter. I need to figure out what that is. And yeah, it's that badly burnt that they burnt this board here. Yeah, we'll have to dig this up a little bit, figure out what that is. It may be a filter. After some further consideration, I've realized that TC, that makes sense. That's a thermocouple. That's an NTC thermocouple. Makes sense. The two incoming lines, most likely a class X capacitor for filtering, a MOV for high voltage suppression, and then an NTC thermistor for inrush current limiting. Makes a bit of sense. I obviously cannot find out the information on this. I doubt I'll be able to get a replacement on this particularly small island. I may be able to import it, we shall see. For the moment, I doubt I can find one to salvage from another piece of equipment. So I'm going to just put this thing back together. And if I do find one from some current limiting motor application that is obviously broken, I'll try swapping it out. Well, I do not normally make political statements on this channel. What I'm trying to discuss today is the chips on the washing machine. As you can see, that chip is a 32-pin chip. It seems rather unsophisticated. It's unlikely that the Russians are buying washing machines to get these chips. This chip is no more sophisticated, it appears, than an Arduino Nano. This is a basic chip that you can get for under $3 on a breakout board from eBay. Those chips are readily available. They come with a USB port, pre-programmable. The software for it is free. Now chances are likely I did not get the exact details of the chip on this board. The conformal coating would have blocked that anyway, unless I decided to dig that out, and that repair that I attempted was over a year ago, so I don't have access to that washing machine again. But that is most likely a PIC microchip. For you to program that, you need to actually be able to get the control up. You need to buy that from the US, right? Why? When you could just get something that is a knockoff or from Atmel chip or an original Atmel chip on eBay for less than $3. It really makes no sense. And if you wanted to go more sophisticated, you could get the one on the Mega, which is significantly more complex. Again, easily available. There's really no reason to buy a washing machine to take out a chip like this. That really makes no technical sense.